Deleting user accounts. In Active Directory PowerShell module, there is a commandlet called remove AD user to delete user accounts from Active Directory. Alternatively, the remove-AD object commandlet can be used. The remove AD user commandlet is designed to deal with user accounts removal. We'll use this commandlet throughout the examples in this lesson. Sometimes the request for removal of user accounts are very often, especially if the organization is quite large. And an IT person gets request to delete user accounts on a frequent basis, either when an employee leaves the organization or they turn down the offer just before joining. Though most of organizations won't delete user accounts when an employee leaves the organization. Instead, they will hide this from the global address list or book, remove them from all groups, disable the mailbox, and keep the ID in a disabled state. Such accounts can be enabled if the employee rejoins the company later, which happens quite often, and spares much time and effort for the IT person. Removing a user account from Active Directory is a straightforward process. You just need to pass the distinguished name or DN or object GUID or seed or SAM account name to the identity parameter of the remove AD user commandlet. So let's remove some user. We'll type remove-AD user identity lab user 4. When this command is executed, it will ask for confirmation of deletion. Since deletion is a critical operation, Active Directory module warns about it. If you are certain that the inputs are correct and you don't want to get prompted for confirmation, set the confirm parameter and value to it false. So let's type remove-AD user identity lab user 5 and confirm parameter with false value. Similarly, to delete user accounts by reading from a text file, we can use the following command: get content from the text file and pipe it to the following code. For each user in this file, do the following: remove AD user with identity parameter from the file and with a confirm parameter. The get content commandlet reads the usernames from users.txt and passes them to the remove AD user commandlet to delete the accounts one after another.